Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can friends send money to my Revolut account? Before I answer that question, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a mobile banking app. The app allows you to send and receive money, make payments, and invest your money. Revolut is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their finances. However, there are some things to be aware of before you start using Revolut. Can friends send money to my Revolut account? The answer to this question is yes, friends can send money to your Revolut account. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Friends can only send money to your Revolut account if they have a Revolut account themselves. Friends can only send money to your Revolut account if they have added you as a contact. Friends can only send money to your Revolut account if they have verified their identity. Once your friend has met these requirements, they can send you money by following these steps. Open the Revolut app. Tap on the Send Money tab. Enter your friend's name or phone number. Enter the amount of money that you want to send. Tap on the Send button. The money will be transferred to your Revolut account immediately. What are the benefits of using Revolut to send and receive money? There are a number of benefits to using Revolut to send and receive money. Some of the benefits include: Revolut is a fast and easy way to send and receive money. Revolut is affordable. There are no fees for sending or receiving money within the UK. Revolut is secure. All transactions are encrypted and protected by advanced security measures. What are the risks of using Revolut to send and receive money? There are also some risks associated with using Revolut to send and receive money. Some of the risks include: Revolut is not a bank. This means that your money is not protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS. Revolut is not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. This means that you are not protected by the same consumer protections as you would be if you were using a bank. Revolut may be subject to sanctions from the U.S. government. This could mean that your account could be frozen or closed without warning. How to stay safe when using Revolut to send and receive money. If you are concerned about the risks of using Revolut to send and receive money, there are a few things that you can do to stay safe. Only send money to people who you know and trust. Be careful when entering your personal information. Monitor your account activity regularly. If you see any suspicious activity, contact Revolut customer support immediately. In conclusion, Revolut is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to send and receive money. However, there are some risks associated with using Revolut. It is important to be aware of these risks before you start using Revolut. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.